Felipe, how are you?
I'm well, thanks. And you?
Very good, thank you. So thank you for welcoming us here in Stilo.
Today, basically, I'm going to show you around the facility. We are in the Stilo factory. So before we get this helmet ready, we're going to see all the process behind it, from assembly, from construction. Now,
Many machines here.
here we have Ludovico, which is the owner of the company.
For us, the real technical heart of the company, because here we performance all the tests according to the FIA and SNEL standard to see the safety of the helmet and to develop the new helmet that we are going to put on the market. And now we show you a couple of really interesting things. First point, we will show you which is the maximum level that your brain is able to achieve in terms of impact without any kind of protection. So FIA decided the medical limit is 300 G for a very short period. Okay, Felipe, now we will show another important test, and is the test where we see if the helmet is able to support the traction that the Hans point anchor gives to the helmet in case of an impact. If you fall down from this height and your head hit the wall, you can have serious problem. Have a look. You can see on the monitor, the red line is the medical limit, and we are exactly at that point. So it's nothing.
This without protection, eh?
Without protection. Okay, now we see what's happened with the helmet. The helmet will be crushed on 4 different surfaces: a flat one, a semi-spheric handle, a roll bar like a tube, and a hatch. We'll start with the first crash test. That is a hemispheric handle. Okay, the one that we told you before is very important to see if the shell is strong enough. So we will see if the helmet is able to dissipate all the energy and don't transmit too much deceleration to your brain.
Into the head, yeah.
To make your brain safe, also in case of a very strong crash.
How high?
6.5, 70 centimeters. We have to close for safety reasons. Okay, we are ready. Go.
Wow.
Look at the result. Much lower than
the line.
Lower than before, 70 centimeters
sure.
without the helmet. So this gives you the idea about the possibility that what the helmet is able to do. So it's able to protect you from a kind of impact like that, 6.5 meters higher compared to before. So
Yeah, even higher.
huge
This is the main
capacity
difference.
to dissipate the energy. Now look at the helmet. Look the front of the formation of the helmet. Look.
So this is the first step.
This is the first step of the assembly then. We call the shin strap will be added in the helmet. It's gonna show us the procedure.
So now we see what comes inside the helmet.
Yes, this is the next step on the procedure, which is the EPS, what they call the internal part of the helmet.
Hey, I can't imagine somebody else doing it but the manufacturer. I mean, this could go very wrong if somebody else does it.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's why they have to be very careful, and the procedure has to be done correctly.
So I see some visors. I see Banco do Brasil logo. So This means we're putting the visor on.
Yes, this is, let's say, one of the last parts of the procedure.
You like red tinted?
Yes, well, I like it because it matches the design of the helmet. So I prefer to have something in that color. Of course, it's not always the case I can use it, depends on the weather. And it's very simple to be attached. As you can see, it's just you scroll it from one side and the other.
Yeah, most helmets have 2 screws on each side,
Yeah.
or 4. This is only 1 per side.
So, which means we're also saving some weight as well to have an extra screw on the helmet. And now, for me, this is the most interesting part. As you can see, we confirm the weight of the helmet. As I can say, this is the lightest helmet I have in Formula 1, ready to race. And now I have to test the helmet, huh? Perfect.
Everything custom made.
Yeah. See the strap here, the hand clip, as I said, the lock system. All good to go.
So, approved?
Approved, 100%.
Well, Felipe, thank you very much for guiding us, and the best of luck for this weekend.
Thank you very much.